This is section 4 on funding, line 23, Your Honor. Line 22 and 23, Your Honor, to replace the figure and the words of 157 billion pesos and replace it with 140 billion pesos. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted. Objection. Hearing none, adopted.
Similar
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
on this,
Objection? Adopted.
uh,
Hearing no objection, adopted. Any objection? Adopted. Hearing no objection, adopted. Any objection? Hearing none, adopted. Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
Mr.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted. Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of 1318 hereby suspended. Any objection? Hearing none, so transferred. Any objection? Hearing none, consideration is in order. Secretary will read the title of